Welcome to Rica Subtest 1 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. Phonological and phonemic awareness involve the sound of a language, and therefore their assessments do not include and do not involve print. The framework for these assessments is that the teacher will model an activity or a learning strategy, the student will observe the teacher, the student will complete a task independently, and then the teacher will provide feedback. So you're going to want to keep this model in mind as this has a 1, 2, 3, 4 cycle. Teacher models, student observes, student completes the task individually, and that's when the teacher uses this individual task to assess the understanding for the standard being taught, where then the teacher will provide feedback. And this cycle will be used again and again in this Rica Test course, and this is what you're going to want to use for your Rica Test. The most common phonemic awareness test is called the Yolp-Singer test, and this is when the teacher conducts an assessment using sound segmentation with the student. So let me be clear here. Yolp-Singer test is the same assessment as sound segmentation, which we discussed a few slides back. Assessment through the Yolp-Singer test happens when the teacher gathers 22 words and says each word, for example, cat, and the student segments the sounds of the word to k, a, and t. The three levels of assessments are first, entry-level assessments, second, progress monitoring assessments, and third, summative assessments. Entry-level assessments are used to determine a child's level before a lesson or unit. Progress monitoring assessments are given during the lesson or in the middle of a unit. This allows teachers to understand which students need more help with the topics that have already been taught, and also show the whole class profile and how the whole class is doing, whether the entire class has learned the material or if the skills need to be retaught to everyone. At the end of a lesson or a larger unit, a teacher will provide a summative assessment. This is a formal assessment, and it also tells the teacher which benchmark each student is currently placed at, whether that means the student has not met a standard, has met the standard, or is exceeding the understanding for that standard. Feeling nervous about taking your Rica test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this Rica test prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.